Hey YouTubers, so I have another pepper video right now, not another pecker video, so being silly ass like a big ass cigar, another pepper video, not pecker video, yeah, peppers not peckers, being silly ass like a big ass cigar, so anyway, enough of that crap, so from Merc on Discord, nice big ass Merc like a big ass cigar, so yeah, pepper video, not pecker video, so I have something special right here, dumb, dumb, dumb. I have 5 habanero peppers, not peckers. Now you might say, Smokey Essie, are you fucking crazy? You're gonna eat 5 habanero peppers? And I'm not crazy, because I have been training recently between the scorpion peppers, which were overwhelming, I will admit those were overwhelming, and also the Tabasco scorpion hot sauce, which, you know, by the way, I've been at my parents' house recently, very recently. I've actually spent a lot of time with my parents recently over this past week. I spent Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening and Tuesday night at my parents' house, and I spent Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening and Wednesday night at my parents' house, and Thursday morning at my parents' house. So I've actually spent a lot more time with my parents, and the reason why that matters is because that's where the Scorpion Tabasco sauce is in my parents' house right now in their refrigerator. So. And yes, I'm aware you don't have to refrigerate Tabasco sauce. I just like to refrigerate it, so I like it when it's cold. So anyway, enough dilly-dallying. So the bottom line is I've been doing some training. I have been training with hotter hot sauces, not just like Frank's, which is really like pussy shit, you know. I have been doing some hardcore training, so I think I'm ready for, 5 habanero peppers. I will update the description either tonight or tomorrow if I get capsaicin cramps. Fingers crossed I don't get capsaicin cramps, but 5 habanero peppers is a hell of a lot of peppers. Peppers, not peckers. Anyway, this is actually a retake of this video because in the original take, I actually dropped one of the peppers on the ground. One of the peppers, not peckers, fell on the ground, so I actually had to do a retake. I was like, ah, shit, you know, so... Anyway, let's do this video. Okay, 5 habanero peppers, one after the other, for Merc on Discord. Big ass, Merc like the big ass cigar. Here we go. Woo! Holy shit. Woo! Ooh. Yeah, 5 habanero peppers. Here it comes. Here the shit comes. Whoo. Whoo. Ooh. Here it comes. Here it comes. Ooh. Not terrible. I'm waiting for its climax yet, innuendo's era. Okay. Whew. Ooh, I hope I don't get capsaicin cramps. I hope I don't. Ooh. Right now it's tolerable. The heat. Ooh. Ooh, shit. Holy shit. Ooh, damn. Damn. Ooh. Tingling right now. Tongue is tingling. Like a million little pop rocks in my mouth going off at the same time. Whew. Ooh, shit. Ah, crap. Ooh, it's back of my tongue right now. Back of my tongue. Ooh. Ooh, damn. 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 Ooh. Ooh. 5 habanero peppers, not peckers. Ooh, crap. Ooh, crap. 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 Ooh. Ow. Ooh. Damn. Damn. Ooh. I have been training. I think if I wasn't training, this would be a lot worse. I am training, getting back to the swing of things. Anyway, bye-bye.